So again we are solving the same exercise 12.1, that is surface area and volume. The fourth question is a cubical block of size 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. So it is a cubical block of 7 centimeters, sides are of 7 centimeter. It is surmounted, is above which there is a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of a toy. So this is a toy of cubical block, which is on above the cubical block there is an hemisphere. So what is the diameter of this hemisphere we have to find, and find the surface area of a toy. We have to find out the surface area of a toy. So what we will do is, first we will find out the longest diameter. So as we can see, the diameter of this hemisphere will be equals to the side of a cube. So cube side is equals to the diameter of a hemisphere. So we can write it as diameter is equals to 7 centimeters. So radius is equals to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 is equals to 3.5 centimeters. So what, again, this we got the diameter, we got the radius. So we have to find out the surface area. Can I write S dot A for surface area, and T dot S dot A is the total surface area of cube plus the curve surface area of hemisphere curve surface area minus area of a circle. So what here we did is, the cube, this is a cubical block on which there is a hemisphere. So the remaining this part of a cube, this much part of a cube is hidden by this circular hemisphere area. So what we can do is, which is hemisphere, this part we can remove from the cube. How much part we can remove? How much is covered by the cube? How much area of a cube is covered by the hemisphere? That much part we can remove, so that it is already added in the hemisphere curved surface, and it should be removed from the cube. This much part is overlapped by the hemisphere, by a circular bottom of an hemisphere by the hemisphere of the cube. So this much part we have to remove. So how we can remove? We can remove by area of a circle. We have to find area of a circle. We have to remove the area of a circle from that. So what we can do is, we can write it as what is the formula of curve surface total surface area of a cube is 6a square plus curve surface area of hemisphere minus our area of a circle, pi r square. So what we will get, 6a square plus minus minus, we will place the plus sign, pi r square. So what we can do, we will directly substitute with the value 6. As we know, the area of sides of a, this can equals to this, diameter is equals to side of a cube. So side of a cube is 7. So 7 square will be 47 plus pi is 22 by 7 into 3.5 is a radius into 3.5, as it is square. So I will write 2 times. Now we will divide it by 7. 7 ones are 7 5s are 0.5. So what we will get? We will get 6 into 49 plus 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. When we calculate this, 649 plus 22, we will get 294 plus 38.5, and we will multiply this 22 into 0.5 into 3.5, we will get 38.5. So when we add this 2, we will get 32.5 centimeter square. Cube. So centimeter cube is our answer. Square. So volume is always in cube and the surface area is in square. So this is your surface area of a toy. Here what we did, once again I need, some questions are coming that why I have subtracted. Suppose when we imagine when we view the top side, if we have some bird or you are standing here and viewed this, so what you will see, view this from the top side, what you can see here is upper surface of this toy will be looked somewhat like this. How it can be look, this is a cube upper surface plus some area of this cube upper surface is covered by this circular circular hemisphere shape. So what you can see is this part of cube is hidden, you can see only the hemisphere. Okay, this all part will be of your cube, so this part should be removed from the total surface area of a cube. Clear? Already this is occupied by the hemisphere, so we have subtract this circular part from our total surface area of a cube. We have subtract this area of a circle, this much area of a circle we have subtract. Hope you understand that. Yeah. Next we will solve our fifth problem. The fifth question here is a hemisphere depression is cut out from one face of a cubical cone. So cubical cone is there, so cubical wooden block. So circular hemisphere depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block. There is a cubical wooden block. Suppose this is your cubical wooden block. So what it has been done, a depression is made like this. Depression is made in circular wooden block. So circular wooden block, there is a depression made, and it says that wooden block such that the diameter of hemisphere is equals to the edge of a cube. So the diameter of this hemisphere is equals to the edge of a cube. It is made such a way that the diameter of hemisphere will be equals to the edge of a cube. So diameter of this hemisphere will be equals to the edge of a cube. So what we can say, this length will be equals to the diameter is equals to the edge of a cube. Clear? So there is a wooden block, उसके अंदर hole करे हैं, depression we will make. We can, as you can scoop out, this much is scooped out, hemisphere shape is scooped out from the wooden block, such that the length of the diameter L of the hemisphere is equals to the edge of a cube. So diameter L is equals to the edges of a cube. This is edge of a cube will be equals to the diameter of hemisphere. Clear? So this will be your figure. So what it is here given, and what it has to be find out, determine the edge of a cube. Diameter L of a hemisphere is equals to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. So how much we have removed from the cube, and what is remaining? Remaining solid, if once we have removed the cube from the hemisphere from the cubical block, the what is the remaining surface area, it says. So what we can do is, when we scoop out the hemisphere from wooden cubical surface, what is the remaining surface area? So here what is given, S is equals to your side, or you can say that side A is equals to L is equals to D. Okay, diameter R is equals to D by 2, that is L by 2. Total surface area is equals to total surface area of cube minus area of circle plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Hemisphere I am writing in the short form, hope you understand that. So what it is here, again same thing, we have to substitute the formulas. a square, 6a square plus minus pi r square area of circle plus 2 pi r square curved surface area of hemisphere. So what here also same thing, that we have to subtract from the total area of a cube. We have to subtract the area of a circle, the how much we have removed, this area we have to subtract. Plus that plus this is a cube. Suppose here upper view, again we can see that from the upper view, this much portion, suppose this is your upper view, so we have removed from the cube this much portion of circular portion from the cube upper top side. So we have this is a circular area, so we can write minus area of a circle plus this total overall hemisphere. What is the if we try to paint, what you will paint, you will paint the outside of cubical area and you put inside the brush and paint this all. So this curved surface will be included. So curved surface of a hemisphere. I have written the formula. 6a square is a total surface area of a cube minus pi r square is a circle area of a circle plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square is a curved surface area of a hemisphere. So what a is your L square minus pi, r is nothing but L by 2 square plus 2 pi 2 pi. So what we can do, so before that what we can do is we can do the subtraction. 6a square minus plus this minus plus sign we will take. Pi minus 2 pi is 1 pi r square. So what we can do is here we can take the value 6 L square plus pi L by 2 square. So if we what we will be the square root of this, we can take here 6L square plus pi L square by 4. So this 6 square, so pi L square. If we take this LCM here, 4 common, 4 6 4s are 24 L square plus pi L square. So what will be remaining? If we take L square by 4 common, L square by 4 is common, inside there will be 2 pi plus pi, 2 pi plus pi. So what we have taken common to we have taken L square by 4. So inside there will be 2 pi plus pi common by 4. Is it clear? Our answer is 2 pi plus pi by 4. So if you want to note down, you can note down this. Next class, this completes your question number 5. Next class we will do with 6th problem.